Hello! Work in nature with the LEGO City 60181 Forest Tractor, featuring a moving arm with opening claw and massive wheels, plus a small log stand, 2 chains, 2 buildable logs, small pine tree, chainsaw and a shovel. This cool logging tractor toy building set includes a lumberjack minifigure. Includes a LEGO lumberjack minifigure. Features a forest tractor with massive wheels and arm with an opening claw, 2 chains, plus a small buildable log stand. Pick up the logs with the tractor claw to move them around. Cut the logs to the right length in the stand with a chainsaw.